Hello, agus fáte hiag na seanslaí mas maiileh sean ghlaú ghlachiad na seanslaí is me sé Hugh me gile cheada agus tá sulla gom nach bhfuil dáte cos tá se thóché an seachtain seo chun ar cos le tomato all war i Jerry seachtain má inting im bhhuiir tú just look for the big red in gáán. Tá man seo mar is gra lemhuid cóleachiad lemhuid cardide ar dúspáir tá man seo le aine bhuiir aine go dtí tú.
It's booked there, so would just have to lure margin. Give the people what they want. You would coulda, you would do coulda kind of or shaft and go much con taff Diana. So can I'm gonna I'm would too much go Absolutely. So that's what you get, yeah.
Come rain, come shine, day or night. Few better even thingy a go fáil sa leabhaí agus a catch thingy go fáil sa leabhaí tá man seo fásta le James ó Labhraíonn. James tá tú. So tá foioi agad dó it's marall train on the heron sinna foioi ghfuil tú thuiscrista.
Yeah. So the bloody Carrigan off their margin. Like the mission unemployed, Nia commission Tom Shaw the three shafting it.
Tá mis fun employed fásta, tá mis Figiúirí.
Unemployed, what?
Yeah, fun employed. Sin an taine we were freelance. Yeah.
I mean, I loved like a curse spin jarfach or freelance. That's so funny.
Yeah. It's a cracker though. Listen, Niasu can't actually go away. Nia clue good Kate on there get the hortich. You nia clue good can't over to away, Yanu. The Michigan file boss and ish go host in the Asia on la plana like or Togris. So like Nivina so Jane size lad gonna be that online. So it's fun employed. It's fun employment.
Woohoo! The fun never stops.
The fun never stops until the bank account stops. Until the bank account is zero. And then it's
yeah.
That should be enough for I can see that in my very near future on zero motion.
I mean, kind of should like never has mission freelance. Like I was just hemorrhaging cash, like Chevy. Like it was literally much savings or fad. And just a rash. We're back, baby. Basically, but their hasma it was just like straight down. Nish again. I'm caring if you might like Philadelphia. What the version
made that very valid point. As dirt to say, be fine.
I was like, Áine, you're crazy. Yes, yeah. Béisiach brand.
Agus bh bhí go bra bhín ceart a good.
Yeah, tá go fáil tá Jean go fáil harmachin tá leabí go fáil agam listen.
Sirád, ní mod río go ligad dit bheith bhaithir ar shráid le tain, got attribí le códaí, tuirí muid ar that.
Songs go an Bionicle collection go fáil agam sin rud is táhachtaí.
See, sirád, mohím like fiú the mectos it like no one make pig and roo a fuck got the meha Gandhian. You'd like absolutely not Neil Magil and Bionicles.
Not a chance.
Bar let me Gandhian not the good Bionicles a yield.
Listen, I'm not gonna be ve lomhain. I'm gonna be in Shin la Tahu, la Pohatu, la Onua, la Kopaka, la Gali, la Lua. All the boys. Yeah. Nem go bheith lomhain. Tá mu sé gara in shot. Not including.
Does that mean go with watch party at Hollywood Hearns to Banawada? Because if you're calling them friends, surely you think they have personalities.
I mean, Matan scan on Feka with James, then you would know go person to be Anna Himmel Aku.
Mohín seo cos like gur Hugh Andy ó Toy Story agus go anims like scrífar bun cosan na Bionicles like well
the collector's items Áine so ní edition you know what I mean.
Okay.
Yeah. Well I have go fáil seo. It can't be a bheith go fáil sa leabhaí because there's this shot just cheer sort of hostage. Áine céin brainlodge a bhí agad sa fúne a rare.
Oh, so nar gúsin tú agus láthraach doesn't do Jen Jarma there gitty buga then brionglóid ach bhí muid league in áit suirt arena mór ach dark se cos le an chopador de gomáid dark cos le Aldi as bhí basically ahan den ósil na gailgan as bhí muid gimmert clíthe mór pelle a gunne a chéile so bhí like I'd say charter seaca aig gur me abalta ahant ósil na gailgan sin ach bhí me héin agus an bhirt agus se sort sneaky hí na cool cófád hiúil goir timant well no Chiman muna síos hocu an the sly le like lífrodí a chaithú stan ar nachró an ar an eile annig leham and then screamwood sta ar an score ahrithe mar go playing dirty basically.
We would never. Nish. Anya, come on.
Agus fa cunne cú ségan inéisian chuí me héin as James like show Hamilton. Níach me Hamilton riú I mo híal. Ach mi alla gro me ag Lord live réir sal hit me choú obviously glachsúh sellod. Sellum mo chuid brionglóidí ar guys vi se bhán an ihe like. Yeah. Should mé go chuivan lom. Sin gro wadí smó nach chuivan lom.
Hey, winners cheat. Losers never cheat. So I'm pretty sure Grom Boo's a question now, so I'm sure happy.
Oh yeah, win with Jay. Yeah.
Oh,
James,
yeah.
James, not how we're going to fall competitive in dream scenarios.
Oh, obviously.
Well, to Misha definitely land like it's dinner on competitive me, so Hani should have mass and a brionglóidí. But look, means to an end.
Yeah. That's hilarious.
Just on live, I'm not gonna let my rep sheath at a pod even in dreamland.
Nisha couldn't could secrets around nor the actually in a bark.
Yeah. Have her, yeah. Weighted boots. Those targets are
weighted boots. More like light boots than
James, you're not letting your the reputation of legging cheese from pod. Anyway, we'll do Bonsoltas Vesti
Yeah.
The greenie knocked gark and Vishan Tomwich. Well, we are blessed le phone James, so ta 916 shin le fecal agus James. Well, ni mod acne bails a gekal den keder. Vi just vi sulis a get an kid couple bomache. Agus and kaijan fui me galantashin chat on the headphones. Yeah, so shame go ceart a go níar an bhí
rare galanton.
Yeah, tá angle jazz fi her.
POV tá tú ag Jeru an ced deta le James.
Tá ag arcdíarc sús a gúsan.
Yeah. Sin gas though. You couldn't go on road bring like ogum Rio fuh like.
Oh, thanks a lot.
Obviously being Irma Inchin and Hammer Fod, but I think for Octour than well no it's not Octour, probably like shower than each I think could be brushu ogum as an pod. Yeah, you couldn't ogum I don't you cap him go road bring lodge ogum.
Is then a mission really a vina bring no tween rud a vin Irma Inchin lay need me able to dissociating maar the man why a generation as me magushat achner hitch me holo obviously Tugum cuach dumland on subconsciousness feature 100 of room or lati or really so tag 100 of rash in Tuillte, so that been we can bring on
Feral,
on Solir, on Dacha, on drama tool. Big Lord Arlu. Vi definitely vi barrio shukru im brionglóidí, vi shivani work im brionglóidí because vi shoot a gum de mart as vin virtual sin an. So
lovely.
Tá my genuine an nask sin. Tá my inkin biog ig over go curry.
Burt rail.
Yeah, I think dan yomaka dark thought answer to have those probably vivid nightmares of fairness.
Ní bhíon brionglóidí ogums really ar harpy.
Tá sin aisteach an airú sin mar de gra is daoine a bhín ag ó nó actually daoine bhín a caiithú rania nach mín siad ábal a brionglóidí bheith acu agus níl tu a déna ceachtar sin so I don't know football special
breaking news Hugh is a druggo.
You got me. You caught me. Him actually getting some brag and Tamer Fod and Shaw.
Wow, Curtis should all like why.
Yeah, I know. Like Kappa, I mean, the hints were there. Missus was ag does on the tably. He's just in the guy here.
How does he do it?
The unholy craving for a takeaway, Jeremy.
I think go to just a goal number football special is good. Should have some third blackout stitch.
No, I say as go budgel anaculum or my desk.
I know. Football special.
I really hope could be decoration Hugh. Agus na chutu as all.
No, it's decoration day. Yeah.
Yeah,
it's decoration day. Yeah,
shouldn't count. That's his decoration football special, don't you?
Yeah, yeah. Come on, listen. And the pictory at Whistler and Bala, who's 100%. Yeah, that's my. Can do some, man. That's a bring decor to the place, you know.
The Hugh Kerr special is football special. Is the porridge oats.
Overnight oats football special. I don't know. I think we're to strath hosu agus football special úsad I méilte nach me has smitu maar tas go úsad déine coke le hama chokal. So yeah, brihin she day mar gul sé millish agus coffee-ish.
See, in five on is that Gurhash Jahan football special. Agus be like let on ham like itche or Hugh. It would like have like melted lish and potency. The football special.
Disintegration.
She didn't wrote the Darla.
I don't know.
Let me tell you. Tell my Gary didn't you know much in their current thing like this Jahan like budgel, you know, like peen like rusty Jahan budgel coke whatever. Like just a fecal. I'd say my dad yearned a football special just ní bheith in peen feca. It would just completely disintegrate.
I think we'll a wad ní slú chemici a football special na budget coke.
Bedger ach Jerry ma all into football special ma has glynne so say for example like the glynne naculum. There's what see ma money glán into an glynne go gasta being like in Kirkle all Warshaw da like stickiness, like a syrupiness, whatever.
Like caramel, that's the good stuff.
Yeah,
that's only your 5 a day.
That's what you got to get at. Michelle, like lecal bunning cleaners, just like really.
What that dinner be occur to but they laganella at a cosle coke ach ta wani sver agus mata should black parts of boycott as gone a very gold coke filaher or some the Palestina. It's rawa intahe football special. It's rawa intahe.
She even go Pepsi part and boycott pasta to her.
Yeah, ta.
So, yeah. Cool like the old work.
Well.
I know. Listen, Monroe was so good then. You're agus tastic good enough. You should know the
fuck you, Hugh. Get in my mind, we were in the Goma.
Bear just create more the football special or do.
Sean and Rod.
I'm just going to capital put dream of the answer, so I didn't technically hear that.
Yeah, exactly. Yeah, did they go find the hallway?
Speaking of dreams, with the raw sleep paralysis are real.
Yeah.
New row, but hold on off we rivet.
Yeah, that's you crazy.
Oh, scanner. Agus Tarlín sé gcóí ná bhfuil go leor colú fight gum like in a lehead the fail in galley. Tarlín sé like clockwork.
Usually Tarlín sé his tear more. Agus that's when you're in the pits during the day. Agus something like that.
Yeah, it's really a show Tuillte gut sort of a feeling. Yeah.
So I'm not thon that gur muscly into, but to left the muscle but ní hegla bogu. It's shouldn't be rud
Yeah, agus go minic fecin tú rudig bun the labí no ornta like jirkanach lat no agus it's just I don't know. Do you say it's like a
can't be shouldn't
I've been to Dolly to Haina Gushak. There's been kind of like a traded the colu, but that's a rocha. But then, and I'm not Jenny Eric to Haina Gushak. That's a Dolly.
Just like into risking the high bottom of that,
but James and sleep paralysis demon.
Yeah, I think so. I think like near change the Halloween knocked and rud journal them on Akal. So it's just James. Big bun malabi.
Manuel Dinigi Tromley of Elku not Nark or Advision showing you.
She go jaw grafal put 3 Doc Ratchet on Tinder, James. You know the style with you. I think you're fit like the jaw.
Yeah.
So man look to that cone.
More Iv, I would say more.
Probably. Yeah, of your hand check my.
Like a hairy of.
A bit of moldy eggs.
A hope.
A hov. Hova.
No, we actually saw the sleep paralysis really fucked up, in fairness. Agus cean bháin acu ceapna gur clown in mo camera.
The clown in the camera.
Sin an cean is smasal a feicáil.
Yeah, it's fucking kind of cool though. You were like, look, take me, Jesus. It's okay.
Jesus the clown.
No, we were like, you know,
Gary Jogal, but it just keeps falling through his hands.
If I'm gonna die, I'm gonna die. So Kevin Hart meme.
Oh yeah.
Take me, Jesus. But no, so we my life here, obviously, Mohola, Agus, Holma on Punyo Kiskas, like so. Then just when man Russia it's a staff and it was a full on clown. Agus Jin Russia staff from Copra, and then obviously Rushama. Agus we were like, it's a fuck that shit. So there are oceans too. Neither said kid
Labhraíonn.
Like ni capital to grow through the whole like. You still think go to the Russia. So like if we shit fucking come heart like fucking come on Agus. Football boots is my rated at Dinikins Owaru. We have a vision more cool for Agus fucking your dad on. So yeah, that sleep paralysis there. Can't let a person sneak everything sneak out back on my camera. So like it. And then so just pillow, like the worst object you can ever throw.
Yeah, she's gonna cut you out their heartbeat.
Yeah. How much that's the cool for us? And we're like, oh shooting was I think it's chin good watch that. But then the whoosh my mouth me like I did throw a pillow, so I walked in to Sean. I don't think you listen to sound.
And you're in the ship Rio lucid dreaming.
Could different there sin agus sleep paralysis.
So lucid dreaming and rudtón na been to steam ring lodge, but task could go to steam ring lodge because fair lot. Like imagine Inception, like that's basically kind of like sample of the lucid dreaming where that to steam ring lodge is tested to go to ring lodge agus is fader lots.
Oh yeah.
You know, in Doig when they're to ring lodge, you're kind of on autopilot almost like where it's like and just like meal to Hainig actually genuinely kinny. It's like your, you know, to Haine test these bring lodge, you genuinely kinny a test these bring lodge.
Yeah. Whereas do Tamar Fad, ni Ruskin Gershon lucid dreaming.
Yeah, well shouldn't tell us whatever. But like how lots of then like Ilar the bring lodge feel like okay to my Gary a vague actual tradition, you just like shoot up or whatever and could be rubbed. Okay. Yeah. So he like gaffalish and everybody saw you. As in like trying to I'm sorry, I do wine. It was sick.
Agus kid run to ring lodge.
Just actual math. I was pretty basic actually.
Shouldn't simply glore.
Yeah.
You could have gone big, Hugh. You could have gone big.
I could have opened a portal, huh?
Segue.
Tá má crí bhirsidíh honestly nach worship chance le dul higgins an portal. Ní Siobhan. Ní actually bé.
And yeah, he
oh God, yeah. Yeah, absolutely.
Agus Keynes or Tybee got to walk a couple of flasher.
No, Honey shits a couple of flasher. I was let me tell you, I put on a show. I really. Patricia the stripper, monsieur. And with the swing of her hips, she started to strip. No, Nyakama ain't strippers. But yeah, Visha just like Visha actually gas. Like I think her chart thought you had a lock of rash and got an after you and lash. Like Visha just whole grammar. Like another thought. I was be hunting my like alt faoin or whatever, and it was a red like dingy red like oh you know the dingy size like emoji like these sick people at the Jenny shot. I was thinking no not sick normal people. Ma tugging to say camera da dingy. Agus test aku go like captive audience aku agus nachwil ein you know. níl ein like ní tarla ein rud láat, má tiispan tú puttar the phone, like níl an lad is nu ára gonna be like, well, 5 second agus rin si JFK and they buy the ticket and they fly over. It's beach too am sure whatever. Vi se gcónaí chun tarlú, like vi like vi roi mar sin gcónaí chun tarlú, but when like na rudí bug sin, like vi se actually really jazz touch wave that daoine daus le daoine. Vi se really jazz fast just a bheith sa cethir agus I can't le daoine faoin na daoine ar an tíbhile, like like because bheith just slua an the tamar fad agus bhí a couple of pub cheer an aculis, so I think it doesn't wait and lend the pinty like like just a canch being made, so vi gas like I think vi class that's a good dag and rash, but
so just toss a ra like gro sé dearcnach le pub agus go daoine gom persús peontaí nach sin sort an Eva stereotypa atá ag muir America den na Hairní agus a cós sin an áte chuir siad an Portland go dúla daoine peonta Guinness a ardú ar an camera.
Yeah, I mean vi shitson, I mean vi Americani fairly stereotypical as well. Vi should like Gary like like Mexican wave trust and road, vi the Gary like a dance off the for each and road or whatever. Hannig ma ken vi never mission sin hannig ma lad like purchase was phone aga agus tuis man se pictar dá preta, and I was like, oh ha ha ha, but then they're architecture and stuff in the air and each just from the Americani, and it's like a wad níos massa and a wad níos like so it was just like like dingy Gary like trying to shit talk whatever and like that, but you could never keep up leis na hair and like so
how will important
a dear like Spire.
Oh.
Yeah, like you're in Shred and Oculus Inspire.
But Trebí na gcónaí daoine crackáilte ar O'Connell Street, ní sin an átas fear le chur.
Agus sin rud a dúirt a lein daoine. And yet, I mean, it's technically, I mean, it should prove Shred, yeah. So, like, you failed up really. But in fairness, like, so die here, I'd probably be character May and Portland in New Iraq or character May, like, or like, I don't know, a Naculus Times Square, like we should like buy the same.
What's Times Square though?
And what's on Times Square?
Oh
Yeah.
well.
Can't miss it.
Just crackáilte because being Times Square có greithe.
Yeah, no, so definitely Times Square. Me, chonig my video at TikTok because I keep up with the youth.
Or in TikTok.
TikToky.
Sure, being a daoine like or O'Connell Street. De gra siúlam síos an sráid sin go tapí, mar bhean Tuiltte nach as an big smoke me ní caithim molmór ama I seaasú ar radí chunal camera.
So níl se ar teis an Manhattan, but níl se ar in Acula Times Square. So in Acula Madison Avenue.
The youths misinformed you.
I know, listen.
Well, like, I think it's just neat off turn off.
Oh yeah, níl se rá ad as Empire State na as Tanakula Madison Square Park obviously
Madison Square Garden,
yeah, so Tasha
the Mecca of sport.
Tanakula was it the Flatiron building, and can like really weird can cost a train attention.
Yes, been there.
She's natural. Yeah, I still some good talking to the Rasha because Visha Tasha gas like
he might go she just occur I don't know, he might go she occur ahrú sort formative technoliaachta on this ghfuil sé níos sábhailte do gine úsad, so má haon daoine ro garden scálan ire sé blurry agus Jenny should blurring ma rud a bí hasban an daoine ar phone acu. But mar dúirt gar noon, people are just going to have to start flashing from very far away.
Just ar an tíbhile don stride, bring dingy Google reviews don portal. Some lady in Ireland flashed me when I was with my mom, and it was really awkward. Portal is too long to walk through. Poor advertising. I love the portal. It's an excellent place to break up with your boyfriend because he'd be so distracted by the people of Ireland.
Oh my god.
Oh yeah, go they fly to New York. I guess It's over and it's phone.
By the way, Neil, we're done.
It's over.
So funny, like. Well, honey, my thingy, like our I think you're on a proposal for you and
Oh, losers.
I'm telling you, Yanks.
That is
I'm telling
tacky.
you. I'm telling you, Yanks. Sean Rudd.
Like Kate Aguirre and Doin Omlan Ida Ekel agus and Rudco, in Amco special as go intimate lesson agus let's tashpan the strancher, yeah. Typical Americans.
And this is you revealing now that you've been secretly engaged Anish. Agus.
Not yet, no. But a new mo 8 million. I know we're an anniversary 8 million Nikeda. I know we're loy Michelle like up Shackman, but actually and data new.
Show actually in data.
Yeah.
Well, gorgeous.
Agus run me Dermody Rala sure margin so well, we session Dermody Rala so come on.
Okay. So and Birchuk of Lechella are mildly at fault.
Well, in a October, you kind of get over it, get the bug. But Jenny would have done his journey. Ryan would bail in his journey.
Near after the 9th birthday.
Well, Durham would you rare just when would you imagine because we would draw Hersa. Why my 9th birthday?
You mean 9th anniversary?
Well, no, like you won't remember your first few birthdays.
I remember every birthday of Yogumsa from day one.
Day 0. I remember coming out.
Yeah.
It was a drizzly Tuesday.
Yeah.
I was a quote.
No.
Oh, Big Bang Theory. It's a poor quote. I don't know why I'm quoting Big Bang Theory.
I'm more of a young Sheldon kind of man.
Really? Please.
R.I.P. George Sheldon. An R.
George Sheldon.
George Sheldon. No, wait, George
Cooper.
George Cooper. George
Sheldon.
Ní Urkamer and Claire.
So Sheldon's called Sheldon.
Yeah. No, she calls a share. No, but John.
Didn't go to the thing is Iceland. Nach danach das Winter.
Oh, where it's like Sven Sveninson or something.
Yeah, so my thought Áine and Ahir just according to Ruthkin to make it your surname.
Yeah. Like they wrote that hair like Gore or whatever.
James Jameson.
Yeah.
Oh, and you're coming in shitchen. Just hear me grow animal suku an costele slindy suku.
No. Áine the Ahir would be Nisam Kidahin on the Mara, is it like
it's obviously Anium Navarre, my knee Anium band.
No, it is. It is, yeah, but Nisam Kidan Dedaho, because obviously it would be
Annette's son, Gamecha.
Yeah.
Is it not SSEN?
No, it's something different. I wonder if it's like DARD or something. Svenvard? Oh, I don't know. Something.
You know what? Shin Toger than Chappy Shopping. We're gonna find out how the Swedes work. Actually, wait, the Maher Halchin. We'll send him a text.
Near Lucy Shin Hannah.
I know, yeah, I have to listen. It's my one character trait in this. I'm already Gary those year. I don't know, that's on my mind like constantly.
Kai to Lua or chatting.
Yeah, listen, that's you've paid your tax now. Hugh's dad in Sweden tax. Right.
Actually, I had Hugh at CIA mission hall in Sweden for I hate Tinder bio go Hugh hall on. His Tinder profile go Hugh hall on. No, that Tinder Sweden can't be that.
Irish bodybuilder. It's so true.
This is not me. I'm trying to pimp out my son.
My loser son. Anyway,
him and his 6 Bionicles would love a date.
Wow. Okay. Address them by their name, James, please. Tahu Bohatu Onua Gobaka.
Fancy a polyamorous relationship.
You and 7 men.
To women and figurines.
Inanimate objects.
Would you like to be in a relationship with a man and 6 figures? Listen, I made 6 figures last year, you know? Do you know what I mean? I made 6 figures. Shouldn't know the ring Lego figures, but I made 6 figures.
A man with 6 figures and is really special at football.
Scanalach. Scanalach. Right, Caimisha, I need to catch a train. So Caimisha back up. Gur mí máis the vacation le na Seansálaithe sin chatting seo mas céimiid amsú ar the man host the James José le sé sin. Méid amsú ar Seansálaithe ar Instagram, Seansálaithe ar Twitter agus Seansálaithe ar YouTube, mas dtíir aine amsú the man host is more anywhere Instagram, anywhere ar Twitter agus anywhere ar TikTok, mas dtíir James amsú the man host is more flyer tach ar Instagram, flyer tach ar Twitter agus flyer tach ar TikTok. Agus mat gaiir amsú just go bheith sa leabhainn leir fád, so sin mat the thing bhí cuairtú ab. Agus mas the game hen amsú the man host it mar Hugh Carr here Instagram, Hugh Carr here Twitter, agus just cra Hugh Carr or TikTok. Well, in with that, good gameage a flogal anish. So there before you run to the wind. Right. Well, James, this is a rash with Holly. And you've been sultas and let over. Agus ahaman, you put you sultas and Jerry shotting you, agus be rash or reach that agronur from the Seansálaithe and chat showing Akadishan. Slán!
Slán!